And anybody that's operated a snow blower knows that you don't like snow sticking everything. So they use a combination of, some use cooking spray. I know they sell some special stuff online. I haven't got that yet. What I like to use is WD-40. Spray it down so the snow don't stick. The only trouble is, this is a 14-ounce can, 14.5, and I'm not even sure how many cans it would take to spray this whole thing down. But it's about $15 a can. So instead what I did was I bought a gallon can. There are about 8 of those spray cans in one of these. And 8 of those spray cans at $15 a piece, I don't need to tell you, is going to be quite a bit of money. Whereas 1 gallon of this is around $60. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this into my sprayer. The sprayer, you can buy it at Walmart, Home Depot, whatever, you know, a 1 gallon sprayer or something. It'll probably cost you, I don't know, $30. So the whole investment, probably about $90, which should carry you for most of the season, as opposed to the spray can, which around $200 probably for enough cans to do that, which easily pays for this and the sprayer. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray it before I start. Okay, I got my sprayer. This happens to be a Velour, and it cost me about $60 online, brand new. If you go into Lowe's and buy this, it's about a 4 gallon. Probably going to run you over $100. So shop around when you get your sprayer. But I wanted something, you know, that was going to last. So we'll see. We'll see how long it lasts. Now I'm going to spray it down. It takes no time at all. That didn't use much at all. Of course, the test will be how well does it do. Well, I guess we'll see. My biggest fear is that the lawn might still be too soft and it'll dig in. We'll see. think it's doing pretty good. Well, I think it's doing pretty good. I'm going to change the angle here. Well, she didn't dig in bad at all. I guess I could lower the shoes down some.